we're up before God has ended the night, and hauling up anchor by the stars' dimming light, we glide out of launching towards Bottom Bay, as the sun warms the cabin of the Jessica K. The old ship is solid but showing her age. Her scars are aplenty from the tricks of her trade. She's been hauling up lobsters for an eternity, with the old man, the captain, and me. The old man is bent and his eyes nearly blind. His body is crippled, but not so his mind. The smell of the sea brings a smile to his face. He thinks of fond memories and visions of grace. And he says that a fisherman never will die. He just anchors his boat where the water meets sky. There's no better reward than a life on the sea for the old man, the captain, and me. The captain is waiting to hang up his gear. He says he'll retire at the end of the year. I've heard that same story a half-dozen times. A man doesn't quit while he's still in his prime. There's many a sunrise just past the skyline before I take over the ship and the lines. But sea's in the blood and it runs through the hearts of the old man, the captain, and me. Of the old man, the captain, and me. Yes, the old man, the captain,